Hey everyone, I got some orders in from Etsy shops that I wanted to share with everybody. First we have Metta Studios, and these are going in no particular order by favors, just how I picked them up. And I'll tell you, when we got home, I've been getting notices on my phone from Amazon that the mail carrier could not deliver packages. And I wish they wouldn't send by the mail carrier because mine sucks. But he couldn't deliver packages because he has shoved my mailbox completely and totally full of packages, instead of getting out and walking 10 steps to the door. So I do believe this is a paper pack. Look how neat she wraps it. Chrissy, you just outdo yourself, honey. I don't do all of this. So, let's see what we got in our paper pack. Other than this fabulous paper, it's going to look great in my black and white journal. So, thank you for this. Oh, milk tea. I'll have to pass that on. I'm allergic to dairy. But it looks interesting. So, oh yes, I ordered a Japanese paper pack from her because I'm going to be doing some Japanese journals. Chrissy, look at this. She just goes over the top for everything. That is a clear seal with a flower in it, a dried flower. Good gracious. You just go way over the top. Make me look bad, make everybody else look bad. That's okay, we love you anyway. So, what do we have in here? Oh, my stickers. Jeez, everything's packed so neatly. And I'm like a bull in a china closet. I'm in here ripping it open. This is so cool. I have this paper pack. This is so neat how she did this. Oh, look at... This is one of her little envelope journals with some washi tape and a card. Her business card. Allegro Tea. Allegro Coffee Company. Organic oolong tea. Oh, good. Blended oolong. Can't wait to try this. This is perfect stitching. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And of course you have the little Chinese cat card, so that could go in a journal. Actually, this whole thing can go right into the Chinese journal. So great. Happy to get this. I have some book pages. Some more book pages. A lot of book pages. Oh my goodness. I think I have a catastrophe coming in the door. Oh, Nicholas is dying. I'll be right back. Okay, Grandma to the rescue. Band-Aids, magic kisses, and it's all better. Nice music paper here. Wow, this is thick. Really nice. And Metta Studios is Christy Biddleston's shop on Etsy. And it's Metta Studios. And she's selling these paper pack kits of all different kinds. Wow, there is a lot in here. This will make an entire journal. Actually, maybe two. Most likely two when I add what I have. This is so cool. Super cool. Wow. This even makes some good, these make some good glue pages. Wow. Love it. So cool. Everything's in Japanese, so This is going to be a really cool journal. I will take this back to the RV with me to work on it. Nice papers. Wow, you can even learn how to cook if you knew how to read it. Nice magazine pages. This is awesome. Awesome. I can see journal cards being made out of this. So this is a really good deal for the price that she's asking for on them. And like I said, she has multi types of kits. So check out her Etsy shop, Metta, Metta Studios. And I'm going to do the other two on separate videos, because Grandpa just doesn't make it as good as Grandma does. And I got a little guy that needs some hugs and kisses and reassuring his leg's not going to fall off. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.